you. Speech. Human behavior. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly fascinating, fascinating, and deeply complex topic. Human behavior. Human behavior refers to the way people think, feel, react, and interact with others. It is influenced by emotions, experiences, environment, culture, and personal values. Every individual behaves differently because every mind functions differently. Understanding human behavior is essential because it shapes relationships, society, and even the future of civilization. One of the most important aspects of human behavior is emotions. Human beings are emotional creatures. Feelings such as happiness, anger, fear, love, and jealousy strongly influence our decisions. Sometimes emotions motivate people to achieve success, while at other times they lead to conflict and misunderstanding. This emotional nature makes human behavior highly unpredictable. Another major factor influencing behavior is environment. The surroundings in which a person grows up significantly affect personality and mindset. A positive environment encourages confidence, discipline, and kindness, while a negative environment may create aggression and insecurity. This shows how human behavior is deeply psychological, and shaped by external conditions. Society and culture also play an important role. Different societies have different traditions, beliefs, and social norms. These factors influence how individuals communicate and behave. For example, some cultures encourage independence, while others promote collective thinking. Therefore, human behavior is not entirely natural, it is also socially conditioned. Technology has also transformed human behavior in modern times. Social media, smartphones, and digital communication have changed the way people interact. While technology has improved connectivity, it has also reduced face-to-face communication. Many people today spend more time online than with family or friends. This creates a more isolated, isolated, lifestyle, and sometimes affects mental well-being. Another important element of human behavior is adaptability. Human beings have the remarkable ability to adjust to changing situations. Whether facing challenges, failures, or opportunities, people constantly learn and evolve. This resilient nature is one of humanity's greatest strengths. Thank you for being patient.